If you're not actively putting checkout automation to work in your creator business, then you are missing the boat. Checkout automation is a simple concept. Think about how when you buy some diapers for your toddler on Amazon. Is that just me right now? No one else has a newborn? Okay, cool. Amazon is going to recommend adding baby wipes to your order. That is checkout automation in action. We're going to talk about pre-applied coupons. From the SamCart database, we know that when a coupon is present in an order, conversions are 41% higher. And when our SamCart creators pre-apply those coupons for a customer, we've seen conversions as much as double. Give your new customers a special discount to buy something else after they place an order. In SamCart, you can customize the order receipt for each individual product you sell. So when someone buys your 6-week meal plan, you could edit the receipt and include a link to go buy the companion workout plans. Include a pre-applied coupon that gives that person 20% off and send them back to the SamCart sales page to place their order. And with that, you have given the right person the right offer at the right time so as to maximize your sales.